We are solving question from GATE 2018 Electronics branch. So this question is from GATE 2018 Electronics and it is based on the concept of equipotential point. So this is the circuit which is given to us and we have to find the value of this current I. So it is based on concept of equipotential points. Let this point be A. So let this point be B, let this point be C, this point be D, this point be E and this point be F. Now B and C are equipotential points from A and F because from A to B the distance is 1 ohm. A to B the distance is 1 ohm. And from A to C the distance is 1 ohm. Again from B to F the distance is 2 ohm. From B to F distance is 2 ohm. And also from C to F. So from C to F also the distance is 2 ohm. So B and C are equipotential points because B and C are equidistant from A as well and B and C are equipotential from F as well. So if this condition is satisfied, then B and C are equipotential points. So first is that B and C are equipotential points. Now similarly D and E are also equipotential points. D and E are also equipotential points because from A to D the distance is 2 ohm. From A to D the distance is 2 ohms. Also from A to E the distance is 2 ohm. Now from D to F distance is 1 ohm and from F to E the distance is 1 ohm. From F to D also the distance is 1 ohm and from F to E also the distance is 1 ohm. So D and E are also equipotential points. So what happens is that B and C are equipotential points and D and E are equipotential points. So the current through this 2 ohm resistor will be 0 and the current through this 2 ohm resistor will also be 0. So we can remove this 2 ohm resistor. So we can draw the equivalent circuit like this. This is point A. This is 1 ohm and again 1 ohm. And point B and C are one and same. So this is B comma C. And this is point A. So B and C are replaced by a single point. Similarly, between B and C there are point D and E are equipotential points. So we can remove this 2 ohm resistor and we can remove this resistor as well. So now these 4 resistors will appear in parallel. So this will be 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 3 ohm and 3 ohm. These are a common point D comma E. And from D comma E again 2 resistors are connected, 1 and 1 ohm. And this combination is connected to a 11 volt voltage source. So 1 ohm and 1 ohm resistor will in parallel will become equivalent to 1 by 2 ohm resistor. So 1 upon 2. And 1 ohm in parallel equal to 1 by 2 ohm. So 1 upon 2. And 3 are in parallel. 3 and 3 are in parallel. So they will become equivalent to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Again 1 and 1 ohm are in parallel, so they will become equivalent to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 are in parallel, so we can multiply, so we can find their equivalent. So the equivalent will be equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 3 by 4 upon, so 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, so 3 by 8. So this resistance can be replaced by a single resistance of 3 by 8 ohms. This point is B comma C. Now 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 3 by 8 are in series. So they will be equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8. So it will be equal to 1 plus 3 by 8. So it will be equal to 11 by 8. So this whole combination can be replaced by a single resistor of 11 by 8 ohm. So I am drawing a single resistor of 11 by 8 ohm. So this is point A. And there is a single resistor of 11 by 8 ohm between point A and point F. So current I will be equal to V upon R. So it will be value of voltage V is 11. So V up 11 upon 8. So I will be equal to 8 amperes. So the correct answer is 8 amperes. So this is how we can easily find the current from flowing from this 11 voltage source using the concept of equipotential points, because B and C are equipotential from A and F. Also D and E are equipotential from A and F, because from A to B the distance is 1 ohm and from A to C distance is 1 ohm. From B to F the distance is 2 ohm and from C to F also the distance is 2 ohm. Again from D to F distance is 1 ohm, from F to E distance is 1 ohm, from A to D distance is 2 ohm, and from A to E the distance is 2 ohm. So this is how we can prove the concept of equipotential points. So if you have any doubt on any topic, then comment in the comment box. Please like and share the video, and please subscribe the channel, and please leave the feedback. Your feedback is very important to us. Thank you and best of luck for exams.